you have room. Go to John. Go to John.
on or no? Let's see how this is gonna work.
So unfortunately at that late line, Grace had a really slow bad tag, which is why she didn't which is why we had to avoid her.
Yeah.
But we could have cleared that if we just had a really quick flat tag, okay?
Now that I can see, maybe we'll be off to a better start.
Because once we tag, we can take this move right close haul. We tag too close. Well, I don't know what he did, because he came down and I know it's pretty hard.
skip brain?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said that if you want, you can skip her, but if you don't want it,
Okay.
I don't know, because
I'm feeling nauseous. That's why we switched. So I was feeling sick.
Alright, let's just do a quick one. Jimmy?